Most law firms are not losing revenue because of bad marketing. They are losing it quietly, after the phone rings, missed calls, inconsistent intake, delayed follow-up, and no visibility into where breakdowns actually occur. Precision AI Group exists to address that specific gap. We work as an AI operations and revenue infrastructure partner for law firms, designing and governing systems that sit between first contact and retained cases. AI is used conservatively in law firm environments. It does not replace attorneys. It does not make legal decisions. Instead, it supports intake and communication by answering routine questions about the firm and the SSA process. It can acknowledge and route calls when staff are unavailable. It can ask basic intake questions and capture information consistently. Where appropriate, this can also be done in Spanish, so language barriers do not prevent basic communication or acknowledgement. And it can flag or escalate inquiries based on clear rules. So, attorneys and staff can focus on judgment, not repetition. This channel is educational. It is intended to explain how AI can be used responsibly in regulated legal practices, and just as importantly, where it should stop. AI assists. Humans decide. Systems enforce consistency.